Hi guys and welcome here on Hello Gorgeous by S YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna unbox a mystery makeup bag from the brand MAC. I love to unbox mystery bags when you don't know what you will find inside. You are curious and excited in the same time, and this is exactly what I feel right now. MAC is a great brand. I tried a couple of products from them and it was nice. Well guys, I wasn't expecting that our mystery bag will be so small. I don't know, I imagine it a slightly bigger bag. I hope that the content will not be only samples, because when I look at the bag, this is what I feel. With my order, I received a sample to try of Fix Plus setting spray. I tried this setting spray and yes, it is refreshing, it feels nice on the skin. Okay, beautiful people, let's move to our mystery bag. The price of this mystery bag is £35 and worth over £75. It's a 7-piece set. 2 products are known, the makeup bag, and we have a full-size eyeshadow palette inside. The remaining 5 products we will discover together. About the makeup bag, I like it. It feels quality, it's soft on touch, the design is really nice, and I like that they added a pink zipper. It made the bag playful, gorgeous to be honest. Yes, the makeup bag is beautiful. Now let's see what is hidden inside it. I will take out the eyeshadow palette first because we already know that we have it inside. It's called Burgundy Times 9 and this is how it looks inside. Mine is a bit dirty, had a long trip. I have a problem guys, these 2 colors look the same to me. What do you think? Yes, definitely they are the same. I will not swatch them because first I need to sort it out this issue with MAC. I love the size of the eyeshadows. For my personal makeup kit is the perfect size. Second product that we find is a full-size mascara in extreme dimension 3D black lash mascara. If to believe MAC, this mascara does everything. Adds volume, extends length and creates curl. The wand is huge, is fat with silicone bristles. For me the wand looks a bit too big for my eyes. I will try it and I will let you know my thoughts. Ooh, guys, we found another full-size product. This time we got a lipstick in the shade 698 Meher. I don't know if I spell it right. It's a matte lipstick in a beautiful wearable shade. I tried the MAC matte lipsticks formula and it's very nice. Doesn't dry the lips, it wears comfortable. Really nice. I am pleased with this product. Next we find a sample to try. Strobe Cream is a moisturizing face cream that will brighten your skin with iridescent particles. I have a shade Pink Light and 6 ml of a cream to try. Here we have another sample to try. This time we have Fix Plus setting spray. I will not repeat myself, you already know my clear and loud opinion about it. And the last product is a lip gloss, MAC Lip Gloss in clear. A clear lip gloss is always handy. We have 7 ml of a product. I need to check because I think that this may be a travel size product. These are the products from the MAC mystery makeup bag. And guys, I am happy with what I found. All the products are useful. I hope that I will sort it out with eyeshadow palette. I checked the lip gloss and this is a travel size product. You may even buy it from the MAC website. Okay, beautiful people, and this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!